Sir, chapter 1 over.
Okay,
Sir,
chapter 1 is over now. Now we are going to start chapter 2. So I'm going to open the book on the screen, but let me mute to all of you first, and I will unmute one or two students. Okay. Okay. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let me mute all first, then I will unmute one or two students only. Okay, now I'm going to unmute Om Kumar Singh. Om Kumar, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
And Arpit Kumar, you also unmute yourself. Okay, are you listening now, Arpit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So only two of you will remain unmuted. And now I'm going to start.
Yes, sir.
Still students are getting joined. So let me disable the chat. Let me disable the waiting room so that all the students will come here in the class. Okay. Okay, so now I am going to open the book on the screen. So I think book is here. Chapter 2. I think this one is chapter 2. This is chapter 3. Yes, this is chapter.
Yes,
Yeah, this one is chapter 2. Goodness is rewarding. So today we are going to start from goodness is rewarding. Okay.
yes, sir.
So at first, make me confirm again that are you facing any problem regarding my
No.
voice clarity?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. So let us begin. Goodness is rewarding. The value of this chapter is written, perform good deeds. Priyam Singh has raised hand. Priyam Singh, unmute yourself. Priyam Singh,
Sir,
what happened?
sir, you have not
Your voice is not coming. Priyam Singh.
chapter. Sir, you
Priyam.
have not give the blanks. Sir,
I have
sir, you
given
not, sir, you
I
not
have
give
given
an answer
I,
and fill in the blanks of chapter 1.
I have given all things. You can search in the YouTube. Okay, in YouTube you can search. Om Kumar, I have given all things now. Fill in the blanks, true, false. See. So you can search on in YouTube in my channel. Okay, Priyam Singh, you will get there.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, after class you will search, you will get. Now let me complete this one today. So let us begin. Goodness is rewarding. The value of this chapter is written, perform good deeds. Okay, Arpit, keep yourself unmute. Keep yourself unmuted.
Okay, sir.
Two students will remain unmuted only. Om Kumar and Arpit. So let us begin here. Book is visible to you on the screen. Is book visible to you?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we look around, we see that people are not alike. Yeah, it is the fact, and it is very, very true that when we see around, means our neighbor near our house, so we see that people are not alike. They are not same. Alike means not same. They are not same. Then why do we say that we all are equal? Then why people say that we all are equal? The world is full of different kinds of people. The world is full of different kinds of people. They are different in their physical appearances. Like tall or short, fat or thin, and dark or fair. Some are deaf, some are blind, whereas some are ugly or lame. But these features are not man-made. We all are what God has made us. So the whole world is full of different kinds of people. Okay, some of them are big, small, tall, short. Some of them are living here. Some of them are living in another country. Some of them are white. Some of them are black. So whatever things are there, just because of the God has made us like that. Okay, we all are the children of God. So in spite of our apparent differences, we all are equal. For example, a mother may have 3 children, all different from one another. One may be calm and quiet, other may be naughty, maybe the third one is selfish and rude. This can happen. Okay, but mother's love is equal for all her children. She may become angry and punish the rude child, but this does not mean that her love for him is less than others. Okay, come to the page number 10 now. Page number 10. Similarly, God's love for everyone is equal. So in the same way, God's love is also equal for all people. People fight with each other because of the caste and religious differences. People ignore a mentally or physically handicapped person. All this is disliked by God. So this kind of activity or behavior God doesn't like. All human beings, whether rich or poor, dumb, lame, Hindu, Christian, or Muslim, are his children. He cannot tolerate bad behavior or justice towards any of his children. Everyone is equal in the eyes of God. He loves and cares for everyone. But if God's love for us is equal, then why do only some people suffer while others seem to enjoy their lives? This is because God has blessed us with free will. God has given us free will. Okay. Now, what is this free will? What is this free will? What does that mean actually? Free will means it refers to our freedom to do right or wrong, good or bad deeds. This is the meaning of free will. If question will come, what is free will? So you can write here. It refers to our freedom to do right or wrong, good or bad deeds. God has granted this freedom to human beings only so when a person uses this power and something does something good, then he is rewarded by God. But when he misuses this power and does something bad, then he punished by God also. So if some of us suffer and others enjoy, then it is only because of our past deeds. Means whatever we have done wrong, something in our past. Remember, as we sow, so shall we reap. This is a very popular and famous saying. As we sow, so shall we reap. Means jaisa karoge, वैसा बोओगे. In Hindi meaning, this is like that. Okay. As we sow, so shall we reap. Means जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. Means जैसा करोगे वैसा बोओगे. Like that in Hindi. Hence, we must always do good deeds. Think good about others and never hurt others. God is always looking at us. He judges our actions and rewards or punishes us accordingly. Here is a story, read it. So now here we have been given a very beautiful story. So let us try to understand this story. What is given in that? acts of goodness. Here, the name of the story is written Acts of Goodness. Once upon a time, there lived a poor farmer. He had to work hard to earn his living. One day, while he was working at his farm, he heard a cry for help. He kept down his plough and rushed in the direction of the cry. Plough means that hull. In Hindi, it is called hull. In olden days, farmer used to do this plough uh, for sowing the grains and all those things. Whatever means farmers' works are there. He saw a boy hanging from a cliff, struggling to come up and the same time screaming for help. So this is the boy. He's hanging from this cliff. The farmer rushed to help him. He gave his hand to the boy and with a great difficulty saved the boy from a terrifying death. So this farmer here in this picture, he saved this boy life. On inquiring, he came to know. Page number 11 here. On inquiring, he came to know that the boy was the son of a business tycoon. Means he was the son of a very rich person, tycoon, and had come there for a picnic. Soon a crowd gathered there. The teacher and other children were relieved to see the boy named Jaykant. Okay, the name of that boy was Jaykant. Alive, they thanked the farmer and returned back. A few days later, a beautiful van stopped in front of the poor farmer's hut. An elegantly dressed up man stepped out of the van. He introduced himself as the father of Jaykant. He introduced himself as the father of Jaykant, means that boy who was saved by the farmer, whom the farmer had saved a few days ago. The nobleman had come to show his gratitude. He said, "The farmer, I want to repay you for saving my son's life." Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. No, I can't accept anything for what I did. It's my responsibility to save person's life, and I did that sincerely, replied the poor farmer. So poor farmer said that I will not accept your money and all those things. That was my duty. I have saved your life. I don't want in return anything. Farmer said clearly. Just at that moment, his little son came out of the hut. He showed his test copy in which he had scored full marks. Farmer's son. Okay. He also said that the teacher had asked him to pay the school fee latest by tomorrow because farmer was poor, so he was not able to pay the fee. The nobleman looked at him and asked the farmer, "Is this your son?" "Yes, he is very intelligent and always comes first in the class, in his class. His ambition is to become a doctor and serve the poor people," replied the farmer. "Okay, then let's have a deal. Let me pay for your son's education." Then that man said that, "Okay, let me make a deal. I will pay I will pay you for your son's education." Means whatever the money will be spent, that will be spent by that business tycoon, that rich people. If your son is intelligent, then he will become successful and make both of us feel proud, said the nobleman. The farmer agreed. So farmer agreed. Later, the poor farmer's son was admitted to the best school of the country. In the course of time, he graduated from the best medical college of the country and became a famous doctor. He joined a hospital and started serving there. One day the nobleman became very ill. So one day that nobleman became ill. Various doctors visited him. All the doctors were of the were of the were of the opinion that his condition is very serious and he may not survive. All doctors said to him. Okay.
So your voice is
My voice is
yes,
not
sir.
coming.
No, sir, now coming.
Arpit, why are you muting and unmuting yourself? I said keep yourself unmuted. Okay, so one day the nobleman became very ill. I am starting from here. Various doctors visited him. All the doctors were of the opinion that his condition is very serious and he may not survive. When the farmer's son heard this, he visited the nobleman. He admitted him to his hospital and treated him. In a few days, the nobleman was completely cured. So, children, you have seen how beautifully an act of goodness comes back to us. In this story, there is a chain of goodness since the farmer saved the nobleman's son. So, chain of goodness is given here. This will come in the question I. There is a chain of goodness that since the farmer saved the nobleman's son, the nobleman financed his son to become a doctor. Since the nobleman helped a person to become a doctor, the same doctor saved his life. So always remember, when you help people, God helps you. For God, everybody is equal, and it is up to you to prove yourself. Now come to at page number 12. At page number 12, we have got the moral of the story. Be good others, be good to others, and others will be good to you. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
now we have question and answer. So that we'll do it now. But before doing question and answer, let me take the whiteboard and we'll complete this one also. Okay, let me take the whiteboard. Let me take whiteboard on the screen. I have found new whiteboard in my laptop, which has a very good facilities and features. Let me show you. This whiteboard is here. My laptop whiteboard. This is whiteboard. Okay. So in this whiteboard, I can add pictures from my library image. So I have to open class 6 MSc book here. Here, class 6 ABC MSc. So let me take that page here so that we can write. I think this is the page.
No, sir.
Oh, this is not. Okay. library image. This is chapter 1. Okay. Then this is chapter 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And this page, I think. Yes, this page.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this page is there. So I will see question from here and I will write answer here. Okay. Question number 1 is written. The world is full of different kinds of people. Explain. So that we need to explain. So write the answer. I'm going to write the answer here. Okay. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The world is full of different kinds of people. Explain. Okay. Right answer. The world is full of different kinds of people. People.
Sir, you have not written different kinds of people.
Okay, I'm writing F here then. Of. Indeed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that line we need to find here. Then we have to write they are different in their physical appearances, like tall or short. They are different in their physical appearances. They are different. They are different. Their physical appearances. appearances like tall or short. Are you writing, Arpit?
Yes, sir, I'm
Yes.
writing.
Fat or thin? Very good. Fat or thin, and dark or fair.
Dark or fair, then
I'm going to make answer short. Okay, I'm going to make the answer short so that you can write, you can learn in a proper way. Okay, Om.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to make the answer short. Dark or fair? Dark or fair? You can add something else also here. Dark or fair? If or blind. Dark or fair? Then put inverted commas. Deaf or blind. Rich or poor. Poor. But these features are not. But these features are not made by man. Not many. These features are not made by man. Also, you can write. We all are what God has made us. Okay, answer number 1 is completed.
Yes, sir.
Then what is given in question number 2? Let me check in question number 2. Why do we say that we are what God has made us? Why do we say that we are what God has made us? We say that because question number 2. We say that because all are made by God, not by man. This was answer number 1, and this is answer number 2. Okay, now tell me what is question number 3.
Write about free will.
Free will. So that I also have made you understand while I was explaining the story. So let us write here. Answer number 3. Write about free will. Free will refers to our freedom, right? Free will refers to our freedom. Free will refers to our freedom to do right or wrong. To do right or wrong. Arpit, unmute yourself.
Sir, by network issue, I have gone back.
So right here, I have written all the answers. All answers are visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have written also.
Very good. Free will refers to our freedom to do right.
Right or
Or
wrong?
what I have written
Wrong.
here. Right or wrong.
Right or
Okay. Good or bad deeds. Good or bad deeds.
bad deed.
Okay.
Then
Now
now
question number 4. What is written? Question number 4. Read out.
My
story
story
of goodness. Why did the farmer refuse to accept
to
anything from the nobleman?
the nobleman.
In the story
Nobleman.
Acts of
Nobleman.
Goodness, why did the farmer refuse to accept anything from the nobleman? Okay.
Nobleman.
Only 5 minutes is left to end the class. So we'll write yes or no, and the rest question will complete in our next class. Question number 4 and 5 is left only. Okay. Om Kumar.
Yes, sir.
So we'll try to complete here yes or no and match the following. So do it here yes and no. This is very easy. In this chapter, God's love has been compared with a mother's love towards her children. Yes or no? Tell me. In this chapter, God's love has been compared with a mother's love towards her children. So yes,
Sir, true.
yes. So you write yes here.
The first number is true, second one is false.
Second one false.
False, yes. Second number is false.
Okay. I'm taking pencil with a thin ink so that I can write here also. Yes. In number 1, write yes.
True.
Then God's love for everyone is not equal. No.
False, false.
Yes. God has given us free will.
And-
So yes.
Yes, yes.
The farmer was rich.
True.
The farmer was rich. No, the
False.
farmer was not rich.
False,
Okay.
false.
Nobleman
poor.
was very selfish. No. Later,
No
the
sense.
farmer's son became an engineer. No.
False.
Yes.
Yes, no, yes, no, no, no.
Then come here on this page. The farmer's son saved the life of the nobleman. Yes.
Yes, sir.
True.
True.
The moral of the story is we should always be good to others. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now we
Second
have
number is
matched the
also yes.
following. Now we have matched the following. We all are what God has made us. Okay.
We all are what God has made.
God has made us. God's love for everyone is equal.
Equal.
Yes. Free will, freedom to do right or wrong. Here.
We will.
As we sow, so shall we reap. Here.
Look.
And God's always looking at us. Okay, completed.
As we sow,
2 question and answer is left only. That will complete in our next class. Or else I will type and I will provide you in the description box of this video when I will upload it in YouTube. So in the description box, I will type all the answers. Okay,
okay, sir.
if I will get time.
Okay, sir.
So today till here we have completed.
Okay.
Okay, in the book also we have done, and 3 question and answer we have completed.
Yes, sir.
3 we have completed. So this is the speciality. This is the feature of my whiteboard on the screen on my laptop. I can write. I can make any. I can make any correction. I don't need to go back in my previous perform or previous page. In this way, we can write in a proper way. Okay, so today till here only.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
So I am
Thank
unmuting
you,
to
sir.
all
Bye.
of you. I am unmuting all of you. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
आशीष, रत्नेश, मुस्कान,
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
निधिश्री, शुभांकर, अंकुर, रितिका कुमारी, समीक्षा भारती, अंशराज, सना शौर्य, and Rashi Sinha, Sonali, Muskan Kumari. Any problem? All of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Keep studying at home. So each and every week you will complete 1 chapter. Only 2 questions are left that will complete. Okay. Okay. Then bye everyone. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.